Hey everyone, today I'm going to be instructing you how to teach students how to catch. The catch is considered a fundamental movement skill or FMS. Fundamental movement skills can be described as the physical skills possessed by adults which are utilized in sports, leisure and recreation. It is important that students are competent at fundamental skills like the catch early in life, so they have the skills and confidence to be a participant in sport when they are older. Catching is categorized as an object control skill and is useful for many sports including basketball, football, volleyball and cricket. Catching should be introduced to children in around prep or age 5. Alright, hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to catch a ball. I'm going to be breaking it up in some steps for you guys to follow because you need to be perfect at this by around grade 2. So, we have a basketball here. The best thing you can use is like around the same size dodgeball, something a bit squishier, softer, just so it's a bit easier to catch. Okay, for the first step, I want you guys to be able to keep your eyes really focused on the ball. I don't want to see anyone closing their eyes or anything like that because you need to see where the ball is going. And especially when you're trying to catch the ball, I don't want to see any chest catches like this. We're going to be catching it with our arms out. So for preparing for the catch, I want you guys to keep your elbows bent and keep your hands around the front of your face like this. And keep your legs and your feet shoulder width apart and keep your legs bent a bit so you're a bit more stable and balanced. So I want you guys to really try and stretch out your hands, keep them relaxed, like open fingers, have your hands pointing upwards, your fingers up, and make sure your arms aren't too stiff because you've got to be catching a ball instead of like hitting it away if it's too stiff. So once you catch the ball like this, make sure you keep control of the ball now because it's in your possession. You shouldn't be dropping it or anything like that. So it's really important to make sure when you're catching the ball, you're not having it too high up or catching it at weird angles or like one hand to the next. Anything like that really isn't a good catch. And make sure when you're in partners that you don't throw the ball to each other too hard, too high, too low. You really want to aim for around the chest too. So it's a really good even balance for people to catch the ball properly. So another way of not catching the ball properly would be to catch it too low, catching it to the side, anything like that. And especially not clapping it. See, like having your arms down and then like clapping it with the ball or leaning back too far. You really want to be there ready to absorb the impact of the ball. Even though it's not traveling too fast at you, you really want to not get hit by it. So the ways of not catching the ball properly would look like this. So the best way of catching it would look like this. Okay, thanks class for watching, and I really hope you use these steps when catching a ball. In reference to learners with poor motor skills or special needs, the task should be scaffolded for what needs to be taken into consideration for each particular learner. For example, are they wheelchair bound or do they use a walking device? If yes, the catch may need to be modified to a sitting catch. To scaffold this task, the first step may to be having the students practice putting their arms and hands in the correct position. Once they are confident in this, you should incorporate using a large softball for the catch. It is important to be using positive enforcement throughout the activity, as encouragement will build their confidence and give them support on what they are doing correctly. Each child is an individual learner and they may learn aspects of the catch different to other students. This teaching approach is broad and some students may need additional support when learning. Thanks for watching. For more information on catching, check out the links in the reference list.